Is it a needle?
Yeah.
Today's, guys, I'm getting my brows done. It's been a minute since I said I wanted to get this done. I don't really play about my brows, so I found someone in Jersey who I really like her work. So I'm going to trust her today with giving me some permanent brows. Just gonna say hi. You want to introduce, tell them who you are, what you do?
So I'm Cassie. I own the Archway in Montclair, New Jersey. I've been doing this for a couple of years now. So we're gonna get her all dolled up today, and we're gonna slay them brows for her. Okay.
Pray for me, guys. All right, so I'll show you guys different clips throughout the process because obviously I can't hold the phone throughout the whole video, but this is what my brows are looking like before. As you guys know, I hate my brows as far as like just how thin they are. Not the worst brows ever, but definitely could feel better. And ultimately, this will save me some time in the morning because y'all know I don't go nowhere without my brows done, and it's time consuming. It really is. So, I don't know what's happening right now, but I'll be back to y'all when something is happening. Okay. All right, guys, this is what we looking like. We got one brow mapped out. Now we have to focus to, I guess, map the next brow, but it's about the same as I normally would do my brow. Guys, it's about to go down. She's about to stab me with some needles. Is it a needle?
Yeah.
For some reason, I thought it was like just ink, but
Oh, just rub it on you?
yeah, like just rubbing on me, like being tapped into my skin. I didn't even register like this is an actual
Yo, she's gonna be okay.
tattoo happening. And by the way, for those who don't know, I don't have any tattoos, so
Her first tattoo is on her face.
Exactly. Pray for me. But I'll show you guys. This is what we looking like. Yeah, look, they nice and even. They twins today. Y'all know when I do them, they be cousins, not even sisters. Wait, am I getting numb? You gonna?
Not yet. I'm gonna let you feel it. I'm gonna let you feel it.
I don't know if I want to feel it. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, nervous.
Don't be. It's not bad.
All right.
All right. Cool.
I'm gonna try to be a trooper.
I'm gonna let you feel just like the tail area. Ready?
No.
This is it.
That hurted a little bit, but
It's bearable.
yeah, I think it's bearable.
Okay. And it's just this little part. I have to like open the skin first. I know that sounds very scary. But it's not.
Not even filming anything, or I'm on my nose.
No, you're good.
Felt like you slicing my brow.
I'm not. Sometimes when we get over the bone areas, of course it's gonna get a little sensitive.
Not too bad.
So I don't like some artists, they outline all the way to the front.
No.
I don't like that because sometimes you could get that harsh.
I don't even do my brows like that. When I fill in my brows, I start in the middle and get darker towards the back and then barely touch the front. Because, I mean, that's literally what an ombre is. So I tell people when they do their brows, like, it should fade.
Exactly. It's the same concept. So you kind of went through the outline part.
That's what it felt like. I was like, this can't be it because I know you're going to be shading and that's probably where it's going to hurt.
Maybe, maybe not. You tell me. All right, so I'm gonna make you feel that. So I actually turned on my machine when I started to shade. So it's kind of like tweezing. What do you think?
Yeah, that wasn't bad just now. I think it helps because I pluck my brows.
Oh, then you're good.
Yeah, I pluck my own brows, so it feels a little bit like I'm just plucking my brows.
I swear to you, I mean, like after the numbing, I mean, people pass out. Snoring, pass out.
Oh, when did the numbing start?
Right after I wipe this off.
It was just like the first pass or something.
Because so there's some people that pre-numb. So with numbing, you want to be careful because you can change the texture of the skin, and then that can cause you not always being accurate with depth and knowing how deep you're going into the skin. So pre-numbing usually can take anywhere from like 20 minutes to 45 minutes. So you would just be sitting here with numbing on your face for like 45 minutes, and then guess what? You still can kind of feel it after pre-numbing. So the less numbing you do is actually the better the color. I still feel like this isn't the worst 7 minutes of your life.
No, I've had worse cramps.
See? Okay. Good. You're done. And then now we wipe it off. It's not gonna be a lot, but your skin is now open and prepped for the numbing. You can see a little. You can see like a shade of it.
Yeah, the outline, so you can just know where to go.
Now we can put the
jump. What's that, a needle?
No.
Oh.
The numbing.
Oh, it's cream.
Yeah, and then this activates in like 2 minutes. This is my one of my best friends that's in the industry. She has her own numbing cream. It's so good. Well, it's a numbing spray, and we just put it in here. It's called Numb Spray. So good. Watch 2 minutes, and you're gonna be like, that's it. So,
Okay, she's about to do the same thing on the other brow, so I'm not going to whole film it, but once we get to the next process, my eyes gonna feel heavy with it or no?
Not really.
Okay. Okay. Well, that was that. I didn't cry yet, so it's not that painful, but I'll keep you guys posted. I'm numbed up now, so. All right, guys, it's time for the big reveal, but I'm going to show you guys first. So I'm going to keep my eyes closed, and y'all let me know down in the comments what these brows is hitting on. I'm going to keep my eyes closed, so I'm going to trust y'all, okay? Whenever you're ready.
Ready? Well, are y'all ready? Ooh, look at that. I'll help her zoom in so y'all can see. Look at that, y'all.
I'm really like nervous.
You look so good.
So I haven't even seen them yet, but how much lighter are they going to get than what they are now?
Probably like 20%.
Oh, okay, so they're pretty much what they are.
And then you can give them a straight up angle when we're done.
Okay.
All right.
All right, guys. So y'all gonna get my reaction
later.
Okay.
All right.
Nothing yet. Well, I see here.
There you go.
Or
what appears to be here, right? Ready?
Yep.
All right.
Okay, brow, come through. Perfect.
And then your other one.
These look good.
I can't wait till you actually stand up and you can actually see them.
They look good. They look like when I fill them in.
As they should. Hold on, let's see if we get this home action.
Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, okay? 'Cause look at my brows. Okay, periods. Filling in pencil, I could just go ahead and throw those away.
What's a pencil?
I mean, I ain't throwing that away, but because, you know, I spent my money on it, but y'all feel me? But now they look good, look. I mean, I know y'all saw them, but like, I want to get up close and personal. Yeah, no filters over here.
No glitter.
No filters, no concealer. All right, guys, so I forgot to film a outro, but it works out because I wanted to show you guys a little bit of how the healing process looks. So I'm gonna do that. So this is day 4-ish, day 5. It's like I've done at nighttime, so it's about day 4 or 5. And they are just starting to peel. You can see, looks like they're like breaking, cracking rather. You can see that. And I don't think I'm supposed to wipe them. She gave me some ointment that I'm supposed to put on them, so I'm gonna do that now. She gave me this little kit, and she told me on the first 2 days to like wipe them with water. That's it. She didn't tell me to do that on this day, but I have to go to work and I need to take this little extra bit that's hanging here. So I'm gonna just wipe that away. I don't want to pull it or peel it. She said it could mess it up. So I'm just going to try to wipe off the little pieces that stick in there. How much is coming off? Some color. Not much. Alright, so you guys can see it's like cracky. And then she gave me some ointment. She told me to put, this is Aquaphor. She said put a little bit of this on it. So I got about that much. I'm just gonna wipe it on here. It feels like my left side is cracking way more than the right. Like I can see it, and also as I'm putting this cream on, I can feel it. I don't want to peel it off, but I want to at least try to like hide it. Hopefully they don't start looking crazy because today's only Thursday and I got a whole nother day of work. I don't care how they look over the weekend because I ain't got to go nowhere, but for work, I need them to look presentable. Which they do for the most part still. Good thing my bang is on this side so I can kind of hide the left brow. Y'all see like right here. That one piece right there. It's bothering me. Y'all see it right there. All right, whatever. I'm not gonna peel it off. But overall, I will rate this 10 out of 10. I love the brows, love how they come out. I will give you guys, probably on my Instagram page, once they're fully healed, how it looks. But she said they're not going to get much darker than this. So, I mean, much lighter than this. So I'll have the information for who did my brows in the description box below, along with some codes and some links that you can use if you plan on getting this service done. If you're in the New Jersey area, if you want to travel to New Jersey area. Again, I love her work. You could check her out on Instagram, which will also be down below, her other clients and other services that she provides. But thank you for watching this video. I'll give you the update on once they're fully healed later. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.